Hello everybody, welcome back to Awesome Crafting. Today we're going to be making a popsicle reindeer. To get started, we're going to line up 7 popsicle sticks. And to secure them together, we're going to use a popsicle stick cut in half, which we're going to stick to the back of them, like so. When it's all dried, then we're ready to get painting. So for this one, I was just using some brown acrylic paint. I just squirted the paint straight onto the popsicle sticks. And there we have it. Once it's all dry, then we're ready to continue. Next, I made my reindeer antlers using brown card and I just glued them onto the back. Next, we took googly eyes and stuck those on the front. I used a cute little red pom-pom for his nose, like so. And I just drew him a lovely smile just to finish him off, because everyone likes a happy reindeer. And there we have him, all completed. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye for now.